Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel, your gateway in the mastering commercial kitchen design, a comprehensive guide. Our mission is to provide you with a dynamic and immersive learning experience, catering to both structured and self-directed learners. Here, you'll have the flexibility to dive into educational content at your own pace, actively engaging and interacting with the material. Get ready to embark on an exciting educational journey with us right here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Ever wondered why commercial kitchen design is a crucial factor in the success of your restaurant? In the bustling world of the food and beverage industry, the seed of success is often sown in the heart of the restaurant, the kitchen. But not just any kitchen, we're talking about a well-designed commercial kitchen. It's the nerve center, where culinary magic happens and dreams are plated up. Firstly, let's talk productivity. A well-designed kitchen is like a well-oiled machine, where every element works together seamlessly. The layout should be such that the chefs can quickly move from prep to cooking to plating without any unnecessary steps. This ensures a faster service, happy customers, and ultimately, a thriving business. Safety too is a key concern. A haphazard kitchen is a breeding ground for accidents waiting to happen. On the other hand, a well-designed kitchen takes into account the placement of hot and sharp objects, ensuring a safe working environment. It's not just about creating delicious food, it's also about caring for the team that makes it all possible. Next, we have hygiene. In a time when cleanliness is more important than ever, a well-designed kitchen can promote better hygiene practices. Spaces for washing, preparing, and cooking should be separate to avoid cross-contamination. Easy-to-clean surfaces and adequate ventilation are other factors that contribute to a hygienic kitchen. Lastly, a good design can help reduce costs and waste. By optimizing the use of space and equipment, you can prevent wastage of resources. For example, placing a refrigerator next to a prep station can save steps and keep ingredients fresher longer, leading to less waste. Similarly, energy-efficient appliances can lower utility bills. So you see, a well-designed commercial kitchen isn't just about aesthetics. It's a complex puzzle where every piece contributes to the bigger picture: productivity, safety, hygiene, and cost efficiency. It's about creating an environment where your culinary team can perform at their peak, where creativity meets efficiency, and where delicious meals are created without compromise. Getting your commercial kitchen design right is not a luxury, but a necessity. So, how do you go about designing a commercial kitchen? It's not as daunting as it seems. Let's break it down into manageable steps. The first step is to understand your kitchen's needs based on your menu and the type of restaurant you're running. Are you a bustling diner serving all-day breakfast, or a fine dining establishment with a 5-course tasting menu? Each type of restaurant will have unique requirements. For instance, a pizzeria might need a large oven for wood-fired pizzas, while a sushi restaurant may need less cooking equipment but more refrigeration for fresh fish. It's vital to tailor your kitchen to your menu. After all, a well-equipped kitchen is like a well-oiled machine, capable of producing delicious food efficiently and consistently. The next step is to plan your layout for an efficient workflow. Think of your kitchen as a stage where a well-choreographed dance is taking place. Your chefs, prep cooks, and dishwashers need to move around with ease, without bumping into each other or the equipment. A popular layout is the assembly line configuration, ideal for restaurants that prepare a high volume of the same type of food. Another is the island style, which places the oven, grill, or range in the center with all other stations along the perimeter. This layout offers more flexibility and interaction among staff. At this stage, it's crucial to consider local health and safety regulations. These regulations might dictate the minimum distance between equipment, the number of sinks required, or the type of ventilation system you need. It's wise to consult with a professional or your local health department to ensure you're compliant. Remember, the design of your kitchen can make or break your restaurant's efficiency, staff morale, and ultimately, the satisfaction of your customers. A well-designed kitchen reduces the chances of accidents, increases productivity, and makes the work environment more pleasant for your staff. A good design starts with understanding your needs and planning an efficient layout. And with these first steps, you're well on your way to creating a commercial kitchen that's both functional and efficient. Once you have the layout planned, the next steps involve selecting the right equipment and setting up utilities. Now, let's delve deeper into the process. Choosing the right equipment is paramount, not just for your kitchen's functionality, but also for the quality of your food. This should be dictated by your menu. For instance, if you're running a pizzeria, a high-quality pizza oven is a must. Similarly, if your restaurant is known for its baked goods, you can't skimp on a top-notch oven. But it's not just about having the right equipment, it's about having energy-efficient appliances too. In a commercial kitchen, appliances are constantly running, and energy-efficient options can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. They can also reduce your restaurant's carbon footprint, making your business more sustainable. Now, let's move on to utilities. These are the backbone of your kitchen's operation. You need to ensure that your electrical, gas, and plumbing systems are set up correctly. Firstly, the electrical setup needs to be able to support all your kitchen appliances. You don't want to be in the middle of a busy service and have a power outage because your system can't handle the load. Next, we have the gas setup. If your equipment runs on gas, you need to ensure you have an efficient and safe gas system. This not only ensures the smooth operation of your equipment, but also keeps your staff safe. Lastly, but equally important, is the plumbing setup. This involves not just the water supply, but also the drainage system. A well-planned drainage system is crucial to maintaining a clean and hygienic kitchen. Remember, the goal of a well-designed commercial kitchen is to create an environment that is efficient, safe, and conducive to producing high-quality food. So, don't overlook these steps. The right equipment and utilities setup can make or break your kitchen's efficiency. With the right equipment and utilities in place, you're almost there. The final steps involve lighting and ventilation. Let's start by illuminating the subject of lighting. In a bustling commercial kitchen, it's crucial to have proper lighting, not just for aesthetic purposes, but more importantly, for safety and efficiency. Imagine trying to chop vegetables or plate a dish in a poorly lit area. You might end up with a finger in the salad or the wrong sauce on the steak. Yikes! Efficient, well-placed lighting reduces the risk of accidents and increases productivity. It can also boost the mood and energy of your kitchen staff, leading to better food and happier customers. Next, we move on to the breadth of your kitchen. Ventilation. A well-ventilated kitchen helps to manage heat, odors, and airborne grease particles, which can be a health hazard if not properly controlled. It's not just about installing a range hood above your stove. You also need to think about the placement of windows, the use of exhaust fans, and even the type of cooking equipment you use. All these factors can affect the air quality in your kitchen, impacting both your team's comfort and the overall dining experience for your customers. But wait, there's one more thing we need to consider: noise control. A commercial kitchen is a symphony of sounds. The sizzle of the grill, the clatter of pots and pans, the hum of the refrigerator. While these sounds are a natural part of the cooking process, they can become overwhelming if not properly managed. Strategic placement of equipment, sound-absorbing materials, and even the layout of your kitchen can help to control noise levels, making it a more pleasant environment for everyone. Remember, designing a commercial kitchen is not just about choosing the right equipment. It's about creating a space that promotes safety, efficiency, and comfort for your team. Good lighting, ventilation, and noise control can greatly enhance your kitchen's working environment. Let's recap what we've learned about commercial kitchen design. At the heart of any bustling restaurant lies its kitchen. A well-designed commercial kitchen is a symphony of efficiency, safety, and functionality. We've dissected the process of creating such a space into 5 fundamental steps, each bearing its own significance in the grand scheme of things. Firstly, understanding your kitchen's needs is paramount. This involves identifying the menu items your kitchen will produce and the cooking methods needed. Will you require a pizza oven or a sushi counter? Identifying these needs upfront will ensure you have the necessary space and equipment to deliver your culinary vision. Next, planning the layout is a step you cannot afford to gloss over. The layout should promote a smooth workflow, minimize cross-contamination, and comply with local health and safety regulations. A good rule of thumb is to design your kitchen in zones such as prep, cooking, serving, and cleaning zones. Then comes the selection of equipment. Here, quality should never be compromised. Your equipment should be durable, energy efficient, and suitable for the volume of food your kitchen will produce. It's not just about having the right tools, but having tools that will stand the test of time and demand. The 4th step involves setting up utilities. Your kitchen will need access to electricity, gas, water, and waste disposal systems. Remember, the placement of these utilities should align with your equipment needs and layout plan. Lastly, proper lighting and ventilation are crucial. Good lighting ensures safety and efficiency, while adequate ventilation removes excess heat, smoke, and odors, contributing to a comfortable working environment. Each of these steps plays a vital role in ensuring a functional and efficient commercial kitchen. They intertwine and overlap, each one influencing and being influenced by the others. It's a complex process, but with careful planning and consideration, it's one that can result in a kitchen that is a joy to work in and a cornerstone of your restaurant's success. Remember, a well-designed commercial kitchen can be your secret ingredient to success.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.